Hello, welcome to Capsim Capstone 2023. This video gives a detailed guide for COMPXM. After Capstone 8 rounds, you have COMPXM with 4 rounds and 5 quizzes. This is individual assignments for students, so each student will have different numbers, so you need to do that individually. It's not so complicated, so just follow the guide in step-by-step guides in this video, so you can pass the 4 rounds of COMPXM with the top result from 860 to 960 out of 1000 points. If you need personal support, you can send the email, or you can download the free Excel file to see all the needed numbers to set for all the 4 rounds. So on the screen you see the industry condition report. Industry condition report is different from student to student, so you should not use the number. You just follow the step-by-step guide and calculate the user free Excel file download under the link with this video to calculate the numbers for your COMPXM. If you need support with creating the Excel file, you can send the emails. I will send industry condition report by the email, so I will create the Excel file for you. Again, you need to start with the COMPXM and update the product. It's the ideal spot you just see on the screen, and also you need to check the segment growth. COMPXM has four segments: thrift, low price products, core, and nano, and elite products, high quality. So 4 product segments with different specification, different performance and size. Right? You see on the screen we are updating the 4 products for the first round. If you want to win the COMPXM with the top result after 4 rounds, you can create 4 new products right from round 1 in order to sell well in round 3 and round 4. Remember that new product will require 2 rounds to start selling well, so you need to develop the new product right from round 1. On the screen we apply broad differentiation strategy, so we will add 4 new products in all the 4 segments. So we will have 2 products in one segment, and we can double the sales and profit from round 3, and we have much higher sales and profit than other 3 competitors, right? Again, do not try to copy the numbers from the screen to your game, because COMPXM is different from student. So student, I'm giving you the guidelines in detail so you can figure out how to do and what to do in your COMPXM. For the numbers, you need to start with your industry condition report, and then you will get the much more precise number to input into your game. On the screen you are seeing the price. For price, you can use the number in the price with your game. Not use the IND numbers, but we can use IND number is the only table you cannot use for pricing. You can copy and use the same price like this to your game. It is okay. For production it is okay, and finance, human resource, and TQM the same. So do not use INDs only, right? But for the other you can use number. For marketing screen, we can start with the thrift, the low end price. So we can start with 2000, right? On the screen that is number 2 products, so we can use 2000 for that. And number 3 is the core, number 4 is nano, and number 1 is elite product with the highest price. So again, you can copy and use this price for your game. It is okay. Also is number for promotion and sale is okay, but do not use the number of IND. IND is different from student to student, right? So for thrift you can use 2000, right? So now we are looking at the career report to check the unit we sold from last round and the unit in the inventory, right? Inventory and unit. So we can use the number of unit we sold from last round and use a free Excel file. I tell you that again and again, that you can download the free Excel file to calculate the sales focus for all the 4 rounds of COMPXM much faster and more precisely. And you can download the free Excel file, or you can send the email. I can support you to create the Excel file, and you input the number into the sales forecast. The sales forecast is calculated by the number of units we sold from last round and multiple by the segment growth from 10% or to 20%. And this is one of the most important screen, the production. Again, you can use the number of production into your game, but you need to take note of the right product segment, right? So take note of the right product segment because the product segment is different from the orders, different from student to student. So need to make sure you know what segment to input in. For example, in this sample, you see that number 2 product is a trip, number 3 is score, number 4 is nano, and number 1 is elite. And we also increase input the number of product we plan to produce in the production schedule, and also we increase automation and sales for automation for each product. And now this is INT HR, we use 5,080 hours of training. And for finance, you see on the screen for finance, the first round we will use on the 3 sources of funds to include the stock issues and short-term loans and long-term loans. So we pay 0.01, 0.02 for dividend, only 1 or 2 cents for dividends, right? So if you do for TQM, you can apply to 1,000 for all the 10 initiatives. So each initiative you apply 1,000 for total 10,000 for all the 10 total quality management activities, right? And you will have very good sales and profits right from round 1, you see that 35% of contribution margin and 6% of net profit. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.